Hello, friend. I'm Advocate Shahina Parveen, and today I want to describe the two law terms which are very crucial to understand the offenses: cognizance offense and non cognizance offense. Cognizance offense means those offenses which are kidnapping, abduction, extortion, molestation, rape, forgery. In under this category of that offenses, police officers they can take suo moto to arrest the accused without the warrant and without taking the permissions of the court or the magistrate. What is the meaning of the suo moto? That I will also explain. Suo moto means police officers they are bound to take steps promptly or spontaneously without waiting of the warrant and without taking the permissions if they think the accused are suspected and they have involved in the offenses of the cognizance, they can arrest them. But in the non cognizable offense means those offenses which reveals the behavior of the persons, the behavior which is inappropriate and annoyance at the public places and all. So this type of the behavior will include the non-cognizance offense. In this offense, the police officers they cannot take the suo moto to arrest anyone without the warrant and without the permissions of the court. They will have to take the permissions for arresting somebody. But in the non-cognizance, that they cannot arrest. Only when the complaint is done against the particular persons, then the police officers they will inquire and they will execute the complaint what is the problem, and they will think, and after that when they will have the need, then to observe the complaint letter, that FIR will be lodged. So this is the process which firstly friends you should know, then you decide what is the process under which sections this type of the offenses will come and what is the process of them. Thank you so much for this. I time to time I will make you aware regarding the law terms also, and